Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY with Tumi. Please subscribe if you're here for the first time, and also like if you definitely love this video. And don't forget to click on the notification button to be updated for new videos. Today we are going to do some mirror DIY work. So here is the before and here is the after, right? Look at the after, it looks amazing. This is from the Pound shop. So the items you will need to do this DIY mirror is the mirror itself from the Pound shop, scatter crystals, about 2 of that, also from the Pound shop, UHU Glue, you can get that from anywhere, and a hot glue gun. So what I've done is that I've separated each of the crystal size into its own palette, making it easier when we're doing this DIY work. Initially I used the hot glue gun to stick the crystals, but I realized it was a bit messy, especially when you're working at the inner frame of the mirror. So I moved across to using the UHU glue, and I realized that that was much easier and simpler to use for that piece. So keep doing this all the way around until you get to the other end. This took me about 6 to 7 minutes. Here I started to use the hot glue gun, and I just put enough glue to put up to 3 to 4 crystals at a time. You really don't want to put too much glue, because if you do put too much glue, by the time you put the last crystal on, the glue would have dried out. So it's better to put just enough so that the glue still remains hot enough to keep the crystal stuck on. Here I'm still using the larger size crystals for the inner part of the mirror, and then around the outer part I will use the medium sized ones, and then the smallest ones to close up any gaps that are shown in between the other crystals. Keep covering the frame of the mirror until everything is completely covered, and when you're done it should look like this. Yes, the finished product should end up like this, looking very classic, beautiful, sparkling, especially when the light bounces off of it. Oh my gosh, it looks just amazing. You can hang this anywhere in your house. Can you imagine? This mirror costs only £3 in total to make. What a bargain! For more DIY like this, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to be alerted for new videos. Thanks for watching!